You know, you could have at least waited until I moved out to do this, something like this. Do you have any consideration for my reputation, for my feelings? Do you have any idea how embarrassing this is?
What are you talking about? We're divorced. It's not my fault you won't move out of here. And who the hell cares? Honestly, who gives a damn if I go to Malibu for a few hours?
What do you mean, who cares? Everyone cares. Do you want to free yourself? Everyone cares that you're running off to Malibu and paying extortionate amounts to some fun-employed, twinkle-colored guru for sex advice.
Look, I'm trying to move on with my life. I married you. It was a disaster. I'm admitting defeat and seeking help. What are you doing? Carl helped Ken out a lot, and I think he can help me too. He's hardly fun-employed. What does that even mean?
Nathan, he helped Ken in the 90s. Self-help was in. This is entirely different. You're too old for this. I can't be associated with a 50-year-old who needs dating advice. This is disturbing. Can't you just create the illusion of being a normal human being until I find a place to live? Why couldn't you just have an affair or turn gay or something? A guru? It's just gross.
I'm not too old for it. And sweetheart, you're right behind me. How do you know I'm not gay? We're not having this discussion. Plus, I already paid the deposit, so I may as well go. I can't believe I'm still explaining myself to you.
You're pathetic.
Please, when is it that you are actually moving out of here? Wasn't there a date being bandied about? I'm sure there was a date being bandied about. Absolutely no pressure. No, I couldn't possibly.
I told you, when the right place, when I find the right place.
Oh,